Welcome to Urdu Accent and Pronunciation course by Tariq Aziz. This is Tariq. I'm here to teach you Urdu language. Today I'm going to teach you how to say what is your last name. How to say in Urdu. Let's see. What? How to say in Urdu. Kya? K-I-Y-A. Kya? How to say in original Urdu. Kaaf choti ye alif. Kya? Kaaf choti ye alif. Kya? Repeat after me. Kya? 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 Second is how to say in Urdu. H-A-I. Hai. Hai. How to say in original Urdu. There are two alphabets. He, badi ye. Hai. 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 How to say? Repeat after me. Hai. 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 Okay. It's not learn English with Mr. Tariq, it's learn Urdu with Mr. Tariq. Okay, it's a picture of my another channel. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so your how to say in Urdu. First I'm going to read in Roman. Tumhara. T-U-M-H-R-A. Tumhara. And the second Roman Urdu. Aapka. A-P-K-A. Aapka. In original Urdu, let's see. Alif madda. Pe. Aap. Kaf alif ka. Aapka. It's for formal. Aapka. It's for formal language. In formal language, we say aapka. 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 Okay, remember this. Second, in original Urdu, te, meem, he, alif, re, alif. Tumhara. 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 Repeat after me. Aapka. Tumhara. Aapka. Tumhara. You have to use only one, okay? Last. Aakhri. A K H R I. Aakhri. 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 How to say in original Urdu. Alif madda. Khe. Re. Choti ye. There are four alphabets. First alif madda. Second khe. Third re. Fourth choti ye. Aakhri. 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 Repeat after me. Aakhri. 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 Okay. Naam. How to say in Urdu. Oh, name. How to say in Urdu. Naam. N-A-A-M. Naam. How to say in original Urdu. There are three alphabets. Noon, Alif, Meem. It becomes Naam. Naam. Repeat after me. Naam. 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 Now I'm going to read the whole question. You have to listen carefully. What is your last name? Now I'm going to read Roman Urdu. A P. Up. के ए का आप का आखिरी ए के एच आर आई आखिरी नाम एन ए एम नाम क्या के आई वाई ए क्या है एच ए आई है। नाउ लेट्स कम टू ओरिजिनल उर्दू। आपका आखिरी नाम क्या है? हाउ टू से इन ओरिजिनल उर्दू। अलिफ मद्दा पे आप, काफ अलिफ का आपका, अलिफ मद्दा खे रे छोटी ये आखिरी आपका आखिरी, नून अलिफ ना मीम नाम आपका आखिरी नाम, क्या काफ ये अलिफ क्या आपका आखिरी नाम क्या है, हे बड़ी ये है आपका आखिरी नाम क्या है। I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Please let me know in the comment box what have you learned from this lesson and which word do you like most in this lesson. Please let me know. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye.